Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by feeling the engine. Know the RPM range where power is smooth versus where it bogs or screams. Once you see RPM approaching the ideal shift point, depress the clutch fully and keep your foot steady. This isolates the drivetrain. Make sure to choose the next gear that aligns with RPM and road speed so the engine stays in its torque band. This first action prevents lugging or over-revving and sets the rest of the shift up for success. Once the clutch is in, move the shifter decisively into the chosen gear. Hesitation causes drivetrain shock. If you downshift, blip the throttle to raise RPM so the engine matches the lower gear. This synchronizes speeds and prevents jerking. During upshifts, release the clutch smoothly over about half a second to 1 second while gently modulating throttle to transfer torque gradually. This combination of timing and RPM matching is why shifts feel seamless and why components wear less over time. You finish the move by settling the throttle once the clutch is fully engaged, keeping RPM inside the torque band for smooth drive. If you hear grinding or feel clunking, immediately release throttle, depress the clutch, and reselect the correct gear. Don't force it. Let revs match. If rev mismatch is the issue, use small throttle blips or brief clutch modulation to correct RPM before re-engaging. This final attention prevents damage and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.